In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail phone number used too many times. This issue can be frustrating, but with a little guidance, you can overcome it. Google sets limits on how many times you can use a phone number for verification. This is important because it helps maintain security and prevents misuse. Let's walk through the steps to resolve this problem by using an existing Google account. First, we'll begin by signing into an existing Gmail account. Open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Enter your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your Gmail homepage. This is the starting point for accessing the settings we need. Next, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. It's usually a small circle with your picture or initial. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Manage Your Google Account. This is where you can control various aspects of your account settings. After selecting Manage Your Google Account, you'll be taken to a new page. Here you'll see several tabs on the left side. Click on the Security tab to move forward. This section is crucial because it deals with how you protect your account. Now, scroll down until you find the Recovery Email option. This is where you can make changes to your recovery information. Tap on it to proceed. You might be asked to verify your identity at this point. This is a security measure to ensure that you're the owner of the account. Once you're in the recovery email section, you'll notice a pencil icon next to your current email address. This icon allows you to edit your recovery information. Click on the pencil icon to make changes. This step is vital because it ensures that you have an up-to-date recovery method, which can help in situations like these. Now, set up a new recovery email. Enter an email address that you have access to and is different from the one associated with your Gmail account. This provides an extra layer of security and can be helpful if you ever need to recover your account. Finally, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your new recovery information is stored. This step is important because it confirms that your updates are applied and secure. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated through the process of using an existing Google account to address the phone number verification issue. It's worth noting that deleting old Gmail accounts might not immediately reset the phone number limit. Google doesn't offer a way to manually remove this limit, so taking these actions is your best bet. Remember, maintaining a secure and updated recovery email is essential. It not only helps in resolving issues like this, but also protects your account from unauthorized access. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your Gmail phone number issue. Feel free to revisit these steps if needed, and have a great day.